I took a trade already in the morning, and we went straight into drawdown. I think we are so close to SL. The trade was according to plan. I won't say it was according to plan. Everything was okay. I woke up in the morning, waited for it, saw it, took my time, like, okay, this is good enough. I went in. We raised 1% on this trade. So if it goes against me or goes with my stop loss, I want to lose 1%, and I'm going to have like 0.3% left. Then we go back to 0.5 just to make more leverage. I went to the gym. Let's see how that one plays out. So the trade just ended up as an SL. Took a loss on that low trade. I think my stops on that trade was a bit too tight, maybe, but I've set the right SL, a bit wider one, just to see if it will actually get triggered. That's it for today. The old me would have wanted to take another trade, knowing that my SL was like a bit too small, but now I'm being very disciplined and very patient. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to bother. If this trade goes my way, then it actually means that the initial entry SL was a bit too small. I put it where it's supposed to be, below the level, but there are times where it needs to be below all the wicks, like everything. You see, so it is what it is. We're gonna close money very early. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So after the stop loss on today, I looked at the market and I found a way better opportunity. But the thing is that I did not take this. We have already made our minds to be very disciplined, one and done, no revenging, nothing like that. But to be honest, if I was on a live account, I would take this trade again because there's no rules to draw down whatever. But it is what it is. I'm not taking this trade. I only watched it play out. This is how it looks like. This had to wait for price to fall below my levels of support to confirm it. And I realized that this morning's trade could have been avoided if I paid more attention to how we had formed the daily candles, how bearish we were, and also how we were also broken below this area of support and this higher low. It is what it is. We learn every day. We learn every day. It's a new day, Tuesday morning. We're active in the charts and everything. Yesterday's shorts. I did the shorts on my. Let me show you guys. So yesterday I saw these short positions, and I said that I wasn't going to take this trade on my prop firm. We're being disciplined, even though I know very well how this trade can go my way, and they make all that losses back. I was able to stay disciplined and not take that trade. But I took this trade on my live account, a very small account I had, and then we saw a good TP. So I will make sure I document that. Yes, that's a really good trade. We saw price, respect levels clearly, took the sales to the downside, and TP hit right around 7 a.m., 6 a.m. thereabout. Yeah, so that will be for yesterday. So yeah, I'll just be patient again and then wait for the trades to present itself, and then I go in. So Monday W, Tuesday, we'll see how it goes. So updates of the day. We're in short on EU, but right now we're outside. So we're holding it overnight till tomorrow, and then we just see. Man, what's now? Yesterday, but we're up early. It's 7 o'clock. Let's get on the charts. Something nice is happening. Okay, so we have price trading into profits. I woke up into a bit of drawdown, and then we see price heading into profits. That's BTC. I was able to catch BTC on the side, just trading on the side to see how good we can be on BTC. But on EU, this is what we have so far on the 1 hour time frame. This is a 4 hour time. If I get a nice close on the bearish signal on the 4 hour time frame, I'd like to get in maybe Yeah, that's what they do. You won't believe what just happened. Just like 5 pips to the stop, to the TP. 5 pips to the TP. And then just boom. I was watching this around this area thinking that we'll just swoop it, you know? And for me, if it's like 5 pips, I'm gonna close it. I know where 5 pips is. But I didn't really hit 5 pips. And then just boom. Then I took Bitcoin sales and then closed out quickly when I saw the signs. Now, obviously, this sucks. I swear, it sucks so much. But it does happen. It happens sometimes. I haven't had this happen to me in a long time, but this is just one of those days. Suck at it, let it go. Tomorrow I'll trade again. So we're currently down 0.4%, where we had about $27 in profits, and then I took this trade, and then just when the sum of the two trades were in drawdown of sum of like 40, I closed out. But I already closed out minus 16 on BTC. I tried to set up on BTC since I'm trying to trade that more. So we'll just stick to EU on the challenge, and then yeah, that's what it is, bro. Already we are almost close to the stop loss. I raised the 0.5% on this trade. So I just seen this thinking that we're still gonna see the price push down to the bearish side. I tell myself it's gonna finish me today. Just bad network, bro. We might end this week negative. We might end this week red. Very likely. Today's Thursday, first show of the day, and then we're already seeing price just not going where we wanted to go. Very close to the stop loss. You probably already hit it. That's if this network thing will just connect. But let's see. And on the hand, BTC. And so we closed out to loss. First trade of the day. And nope, we did not make it through. And yes, we finally hit drawdown. Finally. The account is currently sitting at, this is the trades for the week. This week so far, 1% risk. Then BTC closed out, EU 2 positions closed out, and then just this morning, it looks like it's bad, but it really isn't. So we're just down about $97. Yeah, so Thursday done. I'll see you guys on Friday. You won't believe what I just did. I said I was done for the day, but I saw the short positions. It still looked valid for me, and I went in again, and it went to my stop loss again. So we lost more than written today. The account is currently down about 1.5%, 1.4, 1.5% thereabout. Very bad. I broke my rules. But yeah, all I can say is that I have to make sure I don't do that again. We don't do that again. Once we get triggered as a stop loss, we don't go in again. We just let it be for the day. But for me, just knowing that it happened so fast, I think my mind didn't accept that it was a stop loss, and I tried to go in again. No more of that. No more of that. We can't be in deep drawdown. Tomorrow's the last day of trading, and tomorrow I'll make sure I try and get one good setup, one and done. If that should go against us, we'll close the week in a drawdown. This is as realistic as it will be. I'm not hiding nothing, just being raw and plain. So I'll see you tomorrow, and this time I actually will see you tomorrow. It's a good day. It's a new day to prove ourselves again. Let's see what's on the chart today. So yesterday there was a plan to take sales from this area of resistance, but then we thought that we could hold this area of support as well, continue the trend to downside. That didn't happen. So we finally got price reacting on that level of resistance over there with this evening star formation. This for me to take a confirmation to go in for sales. At the same time, within Bitcoin sales as well, I want to see price reject this level of resistance over here. On the structural side, I want to see a good rejection over here to the downside. I'm going to sell all the way back to this area. That's 110K mark. So we'll see how the day goes after that. Yo, people. It's Saturday morning. I didn't record yesterday. I don't know, I just didn't have time to start the camera, but I have time right now. And so this week has been very bloody. The week we ended up red. It was just crazy. Markets weren't favorable. We couldn't make the really good setups work. But it is what it is. We're down 2% on the account right now, 2 point something. I took BTC trade after our EU loss. I took Bitcoin longs and then swiped the SL right there. Swiped the SL and then just went into profits again. Crazy week. But that's what it is. It is what it is. I don't really want to be too much into it. That's what it is. It'll be a new week. Next week is a new week, a new opportunity. We just do the same thing. The same thing that got us profits. The same thing getting us losses right now. Get us profits next time. So that'll be it for the week. I'm gonna send a vlog in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment. Just comment something, bro. Tell me something.